So hello guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode of Kulveer Creations. So today we will learn about the type of editing which is showing in the given picture. So without wasting any further time, let's get jump to the video. So guys, our first step is to remove the background of the original pic, and for this sake just visit your favorite browser and search for moveg.com. Here you will get an option to upload your pic. Just upload the pic and it will automatically remove the background from the original pic. Then just download it. So now moving to the further step, just open your pic in the Picsart app. Now select the FX tool and then just make a tap on magic section. Now select for new pop option and after this make some adjustments in the tool settings. So guys, shifting to the next step, just go to the draw tool and opens the layer sections, and after this just make a tap on the color bucket. Now choose your favorite color as a display background. Now open the layer section once again and here just make a new empty layer. After following this, just tap on the add photo and select this PNG pic and then make some adjustments in it. Guys, you can easily download all these pics from the description box. I will drop a link there. Now open the layer section once again and change the setting from normal to Zor. Now following this, just tap on three dots and select the merge section. Now tap again on the layer section and reduce the opacity level for the better vision. Now restore the wanted area of the pic using the eraser tool. After following this, just make a new empty layer and drag it under the last layer. Once it's done, then select the color bucket tool and add your favorite reference color. Now merge all the layers after opening the layer section. So guys, pic is almost done. Now just save the pic by using the saving tool option. Now following the last step, just make some changes in the sharpness and clarity level of the pic using the HDR section of FX tool. Now the last step, add some vignette to the edges of the pic, and for this sake just go to stickers tool and then search for vignette. Now make some adjustments in the vignette section by making some reduction in the opacity level of the vignette. Now the pic is ready to save. I hope that you like our video, and if yes, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video too. We'll see you soon guys. Goodbye and take care.